Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the HBO Max can't play title error.
Fix 1. Restart the app. Step 1. Close HBO Max completely. Step 2. Reopen the app and try playing the title again. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Step 2. Restart your router if the connection is slow. Fix 3. Update the HBO Max app. Step 1. Go to your device's app store. Step 2. Check for updates for HBO Max and install them. Fix 4. Clear app cache. Android Smart TV. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, HBO Max Storage. Step 2. Tap Clear Cache and clear data if needed. Step 3. Reopen the app. Fix 5. Check device date and time. Step 1. Go to your device settings, date and time. Step 2. Enable automatic date and time to ensure DRM works correctly.